Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this LED video light made by Hagibis. Now this is a $72 LED video light that you guys can find on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go of course, pick this thing up. Now also on Amazon, this thing has 50 reviews and has an average of 5 stars, so it seems like pretty much, if not all, people that have bought this thing have really enjoyed it and think it is a really good product. So hopefully I think the same. So let's go and begin with showing you around the box. You can see on the top, nice little picture of what the light looks like. On the sides, really nothing much except for a label right there for Amazon. There you go. And then on the back, we have a bunch of specs, milliamp hours for the battery, different scenes, fast charge, that's nice. I believe yeah, USB-C right there, so that's pretty cool. Battery life, and stuff like that. So there you go. Lux, luminous, how bright it gets basically. Again, battery capacity there. So let's go and open this thing up. Now there is actually a heat shrink all around it, so I'm gonna have to cut that. Got a knife in there. All right, let's go and open it up. Kind of opens like an album box, and there it is right there. So let's go and take it out. Feels very nice, I'll tell you that. See the little dials on the side here? That's pretty cool. And then the LEDs on the front here. Let's go in and, where's the on button? I believe this is it, yeah. Hey, there we go. Definitely very bright. All right, let's go and see what else we have in the package. User manual, charging cable, again, USB Type-C, little carrying case, and it looks like a little, yeah, a little adapter to like put it on a tripod or something like that. So there we are. So what I'm gonna do now is probably give this thing a charge if it needs it or not, and also go and figure out how it works, and then I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, so I went ahead and tried this thing out for a couple minutes, figured out what each of the menus do and how to change the color, temperature, the brightness, and so on. So first of all, to turn this thing on, there's a little switch here on the top. Just flip it, give it a second, and then the screen here, I believe this is actually OLED. I might be wrong about that, but it's a very nice screen either way. And it turns this on, along with, of course, the screen. Now here is your little dim slider, if you want to call it, wheel. So you can see here, you can bring it up, and that's at 100% brightness, or you can bring it down. And you can see there, that's, well, 0% brightness. That's 1, and then so on. So this, again, just basically changes the brightness. Now, if you click on it, it will change through. It'll go to like 80, 60, 40, 20, and then 0%. And then the other way, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So that's pretty cool. If you want to change it to like 40 real quick, instead of sliding, you could just press the button. So that's really helpful. Very nice. And then on this side here, we have our set button. Now what this goes to is different modes. You can see here, I can bring up H, which I believe stands for hue, pretty sure. You can see there. It's very nice. Changes through different colors here. That's blue. It's kind of like a purple, pinkish. Then that's pretty much red. It's kind of like a yellow right there, green, and then back to blue. So that's pretty cool. You could change that there. And then these are also the different modes between, you could change blinking, kind of like a fast strobe. I believe I could change it using this. Yeah, you can, right there. So that's pretty cool. If you want it to be blinking for some reason on like a video or something like that, you can actually do that, which is really cool. Right there, I believe, yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get to the bottom part there. Obviously not by doing that. If you press the button, it goes through different modes again. Right there, different colors. It's very cool. It's definitely very bright too. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out how to get like down here. I'm gonna look at the manual real quick to figure out how to do that. Or even if you can, maybe you can't. No, you gotta be able to. All right, I'll take a look real quick. All right, so I figured out how to get to each of those little menus here, if you want to call it. You just basically press this button here, and then it changes through the different ones, and then you can change them as you like. So there you go, and I'll also show you guys the different light modes here in the manual. You can see it has flash mode, scene light, effect mode, RGB colorful mode, and also special vehicle mode, which you could change between police vehicle mode, ambulance mode, and firefighting truck mode. So that is really cool. So that's very nice. If you, for example, if you're videoing something and you want to like demonstrate a firefighting vehicle light, you could do it from here. That's the best way I could put it. So that's pretty interesting. I didn't know it could do that. So there you go. It's going to go back here. And then you could also change your, I believe this is your color temperature. You can see you can bring it up through the multifunction button here, or actually a scroller, should I say. You can see there it is changing color. And then this is like a white light right here. And I'll also crank it all the way up. And this is, that's definitely very bright on that white light. I'll tell you that. That is crazy. So, and of course you could change it or bring the brightness down if you don't want it to be that bright. Just like that. So very cool. So definitely has a good amount of functions, I'll tell you that. Very cool. And seems to be working pretty well. So guess what I'll do now, since that's pretty much all that it does. Again, it changes through different modes. You can change different color temperatures and stuff like that. That's pretty much all this thing does. But if you're going to be buying this thing, well, you should know what it does, which again, this is exactly what it does. So what I'll do now is I'll go and stop this clip and I'll give you guys my final opinions. All right, so overall, what do I think of this LED video light? I'm gonna go in and say I agree with all the people that have reviewed this thing on Amazon. Actually seems pretty darn solid for the price. Now, build quality actually seems to be relatively good. This feels like maybe metal on the back. I believe it is. It doesn't feel like plastic. Really like the little screen here. Again, I believe that is OLED. Also, I really like that you can charge it through USB-C. That is really cool. So it's not micro USB. This is actually, you know, up to date with USB-C. So if you want to charge it fast, you can. That's also really cool. Again, feels very solid. Has a good amount of functions. Again, I really like that you could just change the brightness and stuff like that through these little sliders. That's nothing, or that's not what I've seen on other LED video lights. So I really like this little sliding function. I think that could be really helpful. And if you want to just, again, bring up the brightness or something like that, you just slide it, or you can just press the button here to change it between like 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So that is really cool. So I'd say for the price, this thing is actually pretty solid. Again, has a good amount of features and also feels pretty darn solid. So if you're looking for what seems to be a... Sorry about that right there, I actually got a call. But as I was saying, if you're looking for what seems to be a pretty solid LED video light, I would definitely recommend this one here. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.